If your F-150's AC suddenly quits on a long highway drive, the fix might be a simple software update. Yes, your evaporator core is freezing into a solid block of ice. This is a known issue on 2021 to 2023 models. When the AC is running hard for a long time, the root cause isn't a bad part. It's bad information. The truck's computer never tells the compressor to take a break, so it runs continuously until the core freezes solid. You'll feel the fan blowing, but the air stops being cold, and the airflow itself gets weaker because it can't get through the ice. Ford has a fix for this. The very first step is to have your dealer perform Technical Service Bulletin 242212. This is a software flash for the powertrain and HVAC modules that changes the system's logic. It tells the compressor to cycle properly, preventing the freeze-up from ever happening. Make sure they use this specific TSB as it replaces an older one. Now, if that software update doesn't solve it, the problem is physical. The evaporator temperature sensor, part number ML3Z19C734A, was likely installed incorrectly at the factory, physically touching the evaporator fins. This gives the computer a false temperature reading, so it keeps the compressor running even as ice builds up. A software update can't fix a misplaced sensor. In that case, the only permanent fix is to remove the entire dashboard. A technician has to replace the evaporator core assembly and install a small spacer to position the new sensor correctly. It's a lot of labor to fix a small assembly mistake. If you ignore it, you'll just keep losing your AC on road trips. The dashboard out repair can cost $2,000 to $3,000, which is why you always try the software update first. So, ask for TSB 242212 before they start quoting parts.